Today we will discuss the final coastal multi-species recovery plan for salmonid species throughout California, as designed by NOAA Fisheries. These species are listed under the Endangered Species Act and will be focusing on Central California steelhead. This species recovery is relevant to our local area and ongoing restoration projects in local watersheds. We will also examine the threats affecting Central California steelhead populations, including habitat degradation, overutilization, disease, predation, inadequate regulatory mechanisms, and other natural and man-made factors, such as fish hatching programs and climate change.
Volume 4 of the plan specifically addresses the Central California coastal steelhead, which is what we're going to focus on.
The recovery plan for Central California coast steelhead categorizes its actions into 3 priorities. A priority 1 action is an action that must be taken to prevent extinction or to identify those actions necessary to prevent extinction.
Priority 2 actions are actions that must be taken to prevent a significant decline in population numbers, habitat quality, or other significant negative impacts short of extinction.
Priority 3 actions are all other actions required for full recovery of the species.
Water.
The Central Coast steelhead population runs from Sonoma County to Santa Cruz County. The species is anadromous, and winter-run fish return to freshwater at around 2 to 3 years old.
For a healthy habitat, salmon need loose gravels without fine sediment to spawn and develop eggs. Juvenile salmon need adequate pools and natural cover in streams. They also rely on connected alcoves and off-channel areas to survive winter flows. Clean and cool water is essential for their survival. It's also important that their passage to and from the ocean is not blocked or impaired.
83% of the land in the recovery domain for this plan are in private ownership, like the Swanton Pacific Ranch. This plan encourages the nurturing of relationships between private landowners and government agencies to expedite restoration.
The Central California coast steelhead DPS level recovery actions vary in their focus to ensure habitat recovery. We're going to talk about some important examples.
County zoning should consider the 20-year and 100-year flood-prone areas and design protective ordinances and compatible land use designations to these locations. It will help enhance our floodplain connectivity.
Encouraging landowners to increase groundwater recharge with permeable surfaces and percolation through swales will help to improve flow conditions.
Relocating beaver populations to remote streams where habitat enhancement is needed and resource conflict is low will help to improve habitat complexity.
Counties should develop a riparian strategy to grow older, larger diameter trees for improved canopy and appropriate natural recruitment to the stream.
Replacing or retrofitting crossings to achieve more natural conditions that meet sediment transport goals will help to improve in-stream gravel quality.
Recovery of endangered salmonid species populations may take 50 to 100 years and be costly. It is important to look at the actions as investments for the future because recovery of these species has both societal and economic benefits.